Adding audio files. Incorporating audio into your courses stimulates interest and motivates learners. To add an audio asset onto a course page, click on the Audio button in the Assets menu. This inserts the audio player asset onto the page. Always save your work. To add an MP3 audio file to the player, click on the player icon in the asset. This opens the Edit menu, where you can upload an audio file or choose an existing file from the menu. Once an audio file has been added to the player, the length of the file is displayed in the asset and you are also able to play it. You can mute the audio by clicking on the speaker icon on the asset. You can play the audio in Edit or in Preview mode. To preview the page and the audio, click on the Preview button in the page editor. On the far right-hand side of the audio player, next to the Mute button, there are 3 dots. By clicking on the dots, there is an option to download the audio file. You can add a border to the audio asset by clicking on the Borders button in the Options menu. This concludes the video tutorial on using audio assets.